So I know this isn't about succulents, but I do want to make a video on this because I've never grown mint before and I'm going to start growing mint. So I'm going to plant both of these and I'm going to use this pot right here. I have some old succulent mix, so it's very well draining. But since mint likes to be a little bit more moist, I'm going to put some of this potting mix in there at the top, and then I'm going to plant them, and I'm probably going to cover it in saran wrap for the next, week or so, just to keep everything nice and moist. And I'm going to keep it in my greenhouse, which stays anywhere from 60 to 80 degrees. So let me show you what I'm going to do and we'll go from there, and I'll update you on the progress. All right, so I've got the seeds here, and the little black seeds are the peppermint ones, and the little yellow balls are the spearmint seeds. So I'm gonna try my best to hold the camera between my knees and see if I can sprinkle these into the pot. So let me get this in position if I can. All right, here we go. I'm just gonna sprinkle them. I'm just gonna try to spread them out as much as I can. This isn't all of them from the packet. I used about half from each packet. So we'll just see how this ends up turning out. Okay, so I put that potting soil on top of the well-draining succulent soil, and now I'm gonna cover this with about 1/4 of an inch of more potting soil. So I'll be back. Okay, so I covered the seeds in about 1/4 of an inch of potting soil, and now, since I want to keep everything really moist, I just got a water bottle and I'm just going to spray everything down. I'm going to spray it quite a bit because this is a big pot. It does have drainage, but after I'm done doing this, I'm going to put saran wrap all over the top. So I really don't think it can be too moist. We're still going to have some pretty hot days here in Arkansas up until I think next week. So I'm going to get everything really moist. If you just pour water in it, it's going to move the seeds all around. So I think that is starting to look pretty good. And thank goodness I could find a water bottle that was empty. So that looks pretty good. So give me just a second and I will put some saran wrap on it and I will be back. Let me just give a little bit more there. I think that's good. Okay, so here is the end product. I've got the saran wrap really tight around this, and today is November 8th. So we're gonna see how long it takes for these seeds to germinate, and I'll take a video once they do, and I'll put it all together and show you guys what I've got. So anyway, see you soon. Okay, one thing I forgot to mention, I'm gonna put this on top of my shelf in the greenhouse where it's gonna get sun all day. So the water should just condensate and then drop back down into the pot, but I forgot to mention that. So anyway, I'll see you guys when they germinate. Bye-bye. All right, guys, so you'll probably notice a change in scenery. After I did that last video, I decided I was gonna go ahead and bring the pot inside near my grow light. Just because I thought it would stay a little bit warmer in here. We've had some cold nights, and so I put the greenhouse temp on 55 at the lowest, and I didn't think they would germinate if the temps were so low. So I don't know when they actually sprouted, but I checked them earlier today. I kind of ignored them for a while, and it's very, very hard to see. I'm gonna zoom in. But you can see there's little sprouts. So they're really tiny. I didn't expect them to be this tiny, but they're just so teeny tiny and they're so cute. So they are sprouting. I don't know how many more will sprout, but today is November 20th. So it hasn't quite been 2 weeks and we're already getting some sprouts. I think we should get some more. But I wanted to go ahead and show you that, and maybe later on in one of my other videos I'll show you when this gets nice and big and bushy. But that's my mint growing experiment, so hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys will subscribe, and I will be making more succulent videos very soon. I know I haven't done it in a while, but I'm going to get back into it. So love you guys. See you soon. Bye-bye.